Nain, let's do some financial planning.
And then I'm gonna double it.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
How much it is?
I don't know.
तो ये पैसे कहाँ से?
You almost have 5,000 rupees.
Wow.
Everyone will give you more money.
क्या?
Everyone will give you more money.
अच्छा.
Crores.
Crores of money.
कह दो कि ये झूठ है.
But why didn't Daddy put a 1 lakh?
Yes, very good. They didn't know.
They didn't know.
They didn't know the
I didn't
power.
know.
You will become richest person.
Nain, let's do some financial planning. Adiya, I want you to meet Praveen ji. What Praveen bhai?
How are you?
I'm good.
So you know what is financial planning,
No.
and you want to learn.
Yeah.
So you need to give me money then.
Okay.
Where are you going? Nana?
To get my home box!
अच्छा यार इतनी यंग एज में फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग सीख रहे हो
Yeah.
माय गॉड कटे छिपाई मम्मा ओह माय गॉड दिस इज वेयर यू मेरे अंदर मुझे पता ही नहीं है हां क्या बात है
Hey, where'd my money? Oh,
Hmm.
here. This.
wow nene you collected so much money
And then I'm gonna double it.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
How much it is?
I don't know.
तो ये पैसे कहाँ से?
Count and give me. $15, $2,000, $2,500, $3,000. Wow, you have lots of money. Oh, shit. You almost have 5,000 rupees.
wow
So now give me. I will double this money and I will give you back after 2-3 years. Okay,
Okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
तो प्रवीण भाई कुछ समझाओ तो बच्चों को कि फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग क्योंकि बच्चों को बहुत पैसे मिलते हैं
Okay.
है ना कभी दादा
Yes.
से दादी से नाना नानी से
Correct.
तो वो पैसे पता नहीं वो मम्मी को दे देते हैं
हाँ,
और वो
हाँ.
गायब हो जाते हैं
Correct.
ये जो आप कर रहे हो जो इसको करना है मैं खुद बहुत आई एम सो सरप्राइज कि मुझे सीखना चाहिए
Yeah.
भाई, ये-
Huh?
ओए,
Even Dada gave. So.
Yeah, so now if you tell everyone na कि I am doing financial planning and I am investing, everyone will give you more money.
क्या?
Everyone will give you more money.
अच्छा. मस्त प्लानिंग.
they will give it to you
Yes.
you will double their money
Okay.
in 2 years
3 years.
so they have to see their money growing
Okay.
and for that whenever they get money even how much ever like whether it's 100 rupees
100 rupees, yes, even 100 rupees.
1000
हाँ.
whatever how much ever you get you give it to Praveen bhai And
Even 10,000?
Yes, anything, any amount.
so when you
1 lakh?
तो 1 लाख also जो आप एक बार स्कूल खत्म करो ना when you become 18 years old
You will have lots of
you
money.
will have crores
Crores of money.
कह दो कि ये झूठ है.
But why didn't Daddy put a 1 lakh?
Yes,
know.
very good. They didn't know.
they didn't know
They didn't know the
I didn't
power.
know.
That's why I'm.
They all did know the power of investing.
Yes.
And now we are, we are Gen Z generation, so we know everything.
Alpha, क्या Gen Z आप हो Gen Z
Alpha?
Alpha है
अच्छा हाँ मैं.
हम लोग खत्म हो चुके हैं
So now you should start from beginning, from scratch. मतलब as and when you turn 1 year, so you should start. Everyone should start investing in mutual funds. Now you see, you watch TV.
Yeah.
So you watch that mutual fund sahi hai ad by Mr. Dhoni, Tendulkar.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So we will invest in that mutual fund only. We will invest in mutual funds wherein every month or as and when we have money, we will invest, and then after 10 years, 15 years, we will have lots of money.
so that's the bottom line you get money you give it to Praveen
Yes.
bhai, he will double it
But what if I give it to him and take it out in money and keep it back, keep it in for 2 years, take it and then keep
Very
it back
No.
for 3 years?
हाँ. So
Wow.
if you take out, the power of increasing money will stop. Then again, if you put, then it will start again. So you should not take out. You just keep on investing money, and after 10 years, 15 years, 18 years, when you require money for education, for anything,
For
that
traveling,
time
for
for traveling, yeah, for enjoying, for any trips, that time you have to take out. Between, you should not take out. For 10-15 years, you should invest. You should keep on investing, and after 10-15 years, you should take out for any goal.
So that money will not become double after 10 years. That
Yes.
money will become 1,000 times.
Times,
But
correct.
what if I put it in for 50 years?
Ah,
my God.
then so you will
Then so you
become
will come out
richest person in India or in world. You will become richest person.
So please, sir, what do you want to tell your fans?
That you should save money and give it to him.
Praveen bhai.
Yes, give it to who? Praveen bhai. And Praveen bhai will make it
Double.
Multiple times. Multiple times.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you so much, Praveen bhai.
Thank
What
you,
an
thank you,
amazing. Yeah, I'm so proud of you. चलो भाई, start करो.
चलो.
क्या करना है बताइए इसको. क्या पेपर वर्क चाहिए? Start करो.
इसको you give me. You have bank account? You have your
Yeah.
bank account? You have checkbook? Come. Yeah.
Wow, this is your mom had opened your account. Yours, Didi's, and
I want to give checkbook.
देखो कितना इतना शब्द
हाँ ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि दादी ने क्यों नहीं किया. ये क्वेश्चन किसी को नहीं आएगा. ओहो ग्रेट, वेरी गुड. मिल गया, चेक मिल गया. सो आई एम टेकिंग दिस चेक. ठीक है. So right now I am taking this cash also. We will put this money into your bank account and then we will invest. So henceforth you have to, whatever money you get, you have to deposit in your bank account. Ask dad, mom, dada, dadi, everyone can just deposit in my bank account and give check to Mr. Praveen bhai.
oh,
Okay.
that is great.
ठीक है. And I will take your signature also, your autograph also I will take. On
Okay.
each check leaf we will take your autograph. So that's how you should invest.
I don't have an autograph.
You
Give one.
you
give
will
one,
you
write
will.
name, Vienna.
Yes, you have to write your name.
Done.
Just name.
Yes.
Oh.
Is there any other question?
Now
you
in
want to
your
ask?
You want to ask any other
tell your
question?
friend.
So I am taking so much of money. You have to ask any question. You trust me?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
क्रिकेट ट्रस्ट कर
He said he'll double it.
Yes.
चाइल्ड वाज अ ट्रस्ट
Yes.
And because he's with family members.
Yeah.
You know, that's important. But you don't trust money with strangers. Okay?
Yeah. Don't give anybody else.
Yeah.
Give to me only.
सरो भाई जिसको इन्वेस्ट करना है यहाँ पे हमारे प्रवीण भाई बैठे हैं. You all can contact us. But सच में start this habit. Start this habit with the children right now.
Right.
Whatever जो 100 रुपए, 200 रुपए, 500 रुपए आप बच्चों को देते हो ना, वो वापस मम्मी को दे देते हैं. वो मम्मी को मत दो. सीधा बोलो कि
Invest.
प्रवीण भाई हमारे लिए तो प्रवीण भाई आपके पास भी कोई होगा जो कोई भी होगा इन्वेस्ट करें. अगर नहीं है तो प्रवीण भाई.
Yes.
Dad, can I give the rest of my money? And the moral of the story, guys, is from a young age you should start in investing.
Great. हाँ.
And that's called financial planning.
Correct.
Yeah.